So in this problem, 11.7, number 33, we have to draw two marbles at random without replacement from a bag that has 3 red marbles, 2 yellow marbles, and 1 green marble. So in number 33 specifically, we have to find the probability of picking 2 marbles so that neither one is yellow. So its probability, it's going to be a fraction. So we're going to have the ways to get no yellow divided by the total ways to pick these 2 marbles. So if we just start with the sample size here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marbles. So once you pick the first one, since it's without replacement, if you pick this red one here, you don't put it back. All right, now you're going to have, now there's going to be, once you pick the red one, now there's 5 ways to pick the next marble. So there's 30 ways total. You could pick 2 marbles without replacement. Alright, now in the numerator we have to find the number of ways to pick 2 marbles so that they're not yellow. So on your first choice you got 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can pick any 4 of those non-yellow marbles. Now once you pick one, let's say you pick this red one here, now you got 3 left. So your probability is going to come out to be 12 over 30. 30, not 36, which reduces to 6 over 15. Which reduces to 2/5. So there's about a 40% chance that you pick 2 marbles and neither one is yellow.